McMann v. Richardson addressed a defendant's ability to challenge his guilty plea in a habeas corpus proceeding. Two of Willie Richardson's relatives were murdered. Richardson was found with blood on his clothes. Richardson was charged with homicide and signed a confession. Represented by appointed counsel, Richardson initially pleaded not guilty. He subsequently pleaded guilty to second-degree murder. He was convicted and sentenced to 30 years to life. Richardson petitioned for habeas corpus on the ground that his confession had been coerced and his counsel was ineffective, rendering his guilty plea invalid. Daniel McMann, the warden of Richardson's prison, was the respondent. Richardson alleged that he'd been beaten into confessing to murder and that his appointed attorney only spent 10 minutes with him. He'd told his attorney he didn't want to plead guilty, but his attorney advised him to do so to avoid the electric chair. Richardson claimed the attorney told him he could later raise the issue of the coerced confession in a habeas corpus petition. The district court denied his petition without a hearing. Richardson appealed to the Second Circuit. The court held that a guilty plea is involuntary if it results from a coerced confession. It reversed the district court's judgment and held that Richardson was entitled to an evidentiary hearing to determine whether his plea was constitutionally invalid. The United States Supreme Court granted cert.